Gala Games at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move, and at the time of this recording we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. And this move is playing out after we saw a bit of a short-term bounce after bouncing on our key area of support that lies above the 0.01846, and you can see that in that movement to the upside we had been stuck within this ascending channel, which has now given us more than 3 touch points and has been well respected. And at the time of this recording we have seen a rejection at the upper side of the channel, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see a bit of a breakdown move to the lower side of the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the possible scenarios that can play out in case we continue holding within the channel, and also give you a scenario that can play out in case we see a breakout move to the lower side of the channel, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, giving you significant areas that Gala Games needs to continue holding on the long term. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that to sign up, on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to have for registration is an email address, and alternatively you can use your phone number. Jumping back to the chart, I want to start the video by first discussing this ascending channel that we have here on the chart, where you can see that we are getting rejected at the upper side of the channel. And that means that in the next coming hours, there's a chance that we are going to continue seeing this breakdown move to the lower side of the channel where we can find support. And if that key area of support on the lower side continues to hold, there's a chance of another bounce back, which can easily give us a breakout out of the channel to the upper side. And the moment that plays out, I will be watching for Gala Games to give us a break above resistance above the 0.026. And the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, flipping it back into support, there's a very high chance that we can easily see an aggressive bounce taking us back above the $0.03 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that things might also get a little bit bearish, and if that is the case, then I will be expecting to see a break out of the channel to the lower side. And the moment that plays out, we can watch out for a retest. And the moment the retest plays out, then I will be watching for further breakdown moves to our key area of support above the $0.01846. And if that continues to hold, there's a chance of another bounce back. But if by any chance we get the breakout and maybe at some point we lose our key area of support over here, then that will be further confirming further breakdown moves to the 0.01574, where we have our next line of support. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term in case we continue holding above key areas of support, and in case we also see a break to the lower side of significant key areas of support. Jumping back to the daily chart, on the daily chart I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year, and we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside that peaked above the $0.08702, giving us the high for this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And I have one issue with this Elliot wave structure, because if I connect the Fibonacci's, you can see that at some point we had lost the Fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support on the Fibonacci's. And in case in the next coming hours we see some bearish momentum, there's another chance that we are going to lose the Fib level 0.88 once again. And that means that on losing that key area of support, there's a very high chance that we are going to see a total breakdown move in the next coming days, in a move that can give us a reset of the bear market lows. And then maybe from that point we can maybe term these as an ABC corrective structure, and this breakdown move over here could be the start of a 5-wave structure to the lower side to give us new bear market lows. So that is something else that we need to have in mind, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure to keep you up to date.